Creating a new base in Airtable is simple and can be done in just a few steps. Here's how. Log into Airtable. First, go to Airtable and log into your account. If you don't have one, sign up for free. Start a new base. Once logged in, on your Airtable home screen, click the Add a Base button. You'll be given a few options. Start from scratch, a blank base where you can create your own tables and fields. Use a template. Choose from Airtable's pre-designed templates. Import a spreadsheet. If you have existing data in a CSV file or Google Sheets, you can import it into Airtable as a new base. Name your base. After selecting an option, you'll be prompted to give your new base a name. Type your desired name. Customize your base. Once your base is created, you can add tables, fields, and records. Customize it according to your needs by adding columns for text, numbers, dates, attachments, and more. Start adding data. Now, you can begin populating your base with relevant data and create views, filters, and other features.